What's your name?
Daniel Paul.
Hey, go ahead, tell them what you did.
Planting my garden.
Show us where your garden is. Where is it? What's that?
I don't remember.
How often do you water them?
A lot.
Which way is it to get the water? Want to go over there? Come on, let's go. Now, that's the hose, right? Is that the hose?
Mm-hmm.
And how do you open it? And then the water goes in the buckets? Mm-hmm. Where does the water come from? You're going to have to take us down and show us where the pump is in the creek and how it works, okay?
My pants to get in there first.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Sure is pretty down by the creek, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We had a nice little rain last night. That's where the water comes out the other side of the culvert. See the pipe? Can you show them the pipe that goes up to their house? Go down and show them the pipe.
It goes to their house.
Yep, that's it. Can you see any mint down there? Is there any mint growing?
Is it, Dad?
Yep, that's it. Boy, and we sure have a lot of thistle and stuff like that, don't we?
Yeah, and sourgrass. Strawberries.
Strawberries and sour grass?
Mm-hmm.
What's that hill over there?
That's the Teepee Hill.
Teepee Hill, is that our property too?
Mm-hmm.
We like to climb up there, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
We have that one big tall tree. Look at all those Oregon grapes there.
Yeah, let's go look at them.
Okay, come on. Look, aren't they pretty? What are they? Purple flowers. Look at the mullein. See the mullein growing there? Pretty soon that mullein going to have some yellow leaves on it. See if we can find some Oregon grape. Boy, there's a ton of Oregon grapes up there. Wow. They're all green yet. Billy, can you come and turn off the generator? Thanks, bud. Well, we've got some things growing in that old bucket.
This is mint, all this, and this is our thyme.
What do we do at the time?
Put it in soups.
You know where the solar panels are?
Yeah.
Want to show us?
Yeah. There. Right up there.
How about all the wood we got for this year already? Didn't you help stack a lot of that wood?
Yeah, some of it.
So you graduated from what grade last year?
3rd grade.
3rd grade? Who was your teacher?
Miss Beal.
Yeah. And what grade are you going to be in next year?
4th grade.
Yeah, you going to go to school? What might you do this year? What kind of thing might you do if you don't go to school?
Homeschool.
Homeschool? No way. Is Mom going to homeschool somebody else this year too?
Uh-huh.
Who?
Daniel.
Oh yeah. And we saw the teacher at the bookstore.
banana. A big one. You want big one.
Okay, this is my room, and over here is my radio. And my mom's jewelry box and my jewelry box. And I have a sunroof up here. And the sun gets in and heats my room up to about 100 degrees.
Do you think you could show us the beading thing? This is your beading loom? Alright. How does it work exactly? Is it pretty hard to string?
What?
Is it hard to string?
No, not really. It just takes a lot of time to bead the, each bead on here.
Hmm.